Where's your armpit? Your eyes. Eyes. Your nose. Your teeth. Your tongue. Your tongue. Your ear. Ear. Check your ear. Your head. Your head. Where's your head? Head. Nasaan yung head mo? Head. Your shoulder. Your knees. Your toes. Your hair. Hair. Toes. Yes, toes. Oh, your hair. Hair. Your mata. Saan mata? Ilong. Bibig. Tenga. Tenga naman, tenga. Tenga. Kamay. Kamay. Saan kamay? Kamay. Paa. Paa. How about your? Very good. Copy.